Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Mrs. How To. So today I'm going to show you how to make face mask using yogurt, honey, turmeric, spirulina and olive oil. So let's proceed. So the first face mask you will need 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Then add a little bit of honey, I would say 1 teaspoon as well. So I will list all the benefits of the ingredients I'm using in this recipe. So next we are going to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. So olive oil is great for mature skin and has lots of great moisturizing properties. So then you stir nicely to obtain a nice consistency, not too runny and not too thick. So that's the right consistency that we have here. Yes. Okay, so now let's proceed to the next face mask. So 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Then I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric. So I would say a 1/4 teaspoon or pinch of turmeric is the ideal dose for this recipe, because turmeric, if you add too much, might stain your skin. And then I'm going to add again some olive oil for moisturizing properties. So again, if you want to stir nicely, combine all the ingredients together. Right, so now let's make the third mask, which is going to be yogurt, spirulina and olive oil. So again, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, a pinch of spirulina. Be very gentle on spirulina because it might stain your skin as well. For turmeric, it is advised to do a patch test, a skin patch test, before using turmeric if you've never used turmeric before. Alright, and now I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil. So again, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And it doesn't matter, I've used the same spoon that I used for the turmeric mask, but it's fine. And then you stir and then you go. So that's the first mask with turmeric. That's again the one with honey, yogurt and olive oil. And a third mask, which was spirulina, yogurt and olive oil again. Alright, so you need to leave on skin for 15 to 20 minutes, then rub gently to exfoliate the skin and rinse with warm water. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe for more great recipes. Alright, bye bye. See you next time.